Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are cloning, repeating patterns or clothes. Zoom into the pattern area you want to extend. Select clone stem with medium hardness. Hold Alt to sample the main pattern. Brush slowly to extend the pattern. Follow the design direction carefully. Use small strokes for detailed areas. Resample to avoid visible repeating shapes. Blend edges with softer strokes. Fix shadows around folds by cloning dark tones. Match highlights by sampling bright areas. Zoom out to check pattern consistency. The clothing patterns look seamless. That's how to clone clothing designs naturally.